When you step onto your yoga mat, it's more than just a physical practice. It's an opportunity for self-discovery and growth. One of the most transformative aspects of yoga is the ability to set clear, personal goals that align with your unique motivations and desires. By defining these goals, you create a roadmap for your practice, enhancing your experience and keeping you engaged over time. Let's explore the benefits of defining personal yoga goals. First and foremost, having specific objectives increases your motivation and commitment. When you know what you want to achieve, it's easier to stay focused and dedicated. Instead of practicing aimlessly, you're working towards something meaningful, transforming your time on the mat into a purposeful journey. Setting goals also encourages self-reflection and growth. It requires you to take a step back and consider what you truly want from your practice. This self-awareness deepens your understanding of your needs, whether they are physical fitness, mental clarity, emotional balance, or a combination of these elements. Additionally, clear goals help you track your progress. As you work towards your objectives, you can monitor your achievements, celebrating the small wins along the way. This recognition not only boosts your confidence but also reinforces your commitment to your practice. Moreover, goals provide direction. They guide your choice of poses, sequences, and techniques, ensuring that your practice aligns with your personal needs and aspirations. Now, what types of yoga goals can you set? They can vary widely, but some common categories include physical fitness goals, stress relief and relaxation goals, mental clarity and focus goals, emotional balance goals, and lifestyle integration goals. For example, you might aim to improve your strength and flexibility, manage stress through restorative poses, enhance your concentration during meditation, cultivate emotional resilience, or establish a consistent daily practice. So, how do you define your yoga goals? Start by reflecting on your motivations. Consider why you were drawn to yoga in the first place. Is it to improve your physical health, find mental peace, or achieve emotional balance? Visualize what an ideal practice looks and feels like for you. Identify specific, achievable goals based on your reflections. Instead of a vague goal like, be more flexible, specify it. I want to increase flexibility in my hips to deepen my pigeon pose. It's also helpful to set both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might include practicing 3 times a week for a month, while long-term goals could involve developing a daily yoga habit or mastering a challenging pose over several months. Creating a practice plan that supports your goals is essential. If your focus is stress relief, integrate restorative poses and breathing techniques into your routine. If physical fitness is your aim, incorporate strength-building exercises. To keep your practice dynamic and responsive to your evolving needs, write down your goals. Keeping a journal allows you to reflect on your motivations, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Regularly revisiting your goals enhances self-awareness and adaptability. When setting goals, remember to be realistic and compassionate with yourself. It's important to choose objectives that are achievable within your current abilities and lifestyle. Focus on the journey rather than solely the outcome. Appreciate the experiences and insights you gain along the way. Stay flexible and open to change. Your goals may evolve as you deepen your practice. Celebrate each small win, whether it's holding a pose longer, feeling more relaxed, or noticing an improvement in your flexibility. Recognizing these milestones helps maintain motivation and positivity. Let's look at some common yoga goal examples and how you can work towards them. If your goal is to increase flexibility in your hamstrings, incorporate forward folds, downward dog, and seated stretches into your practice. Approach flexibility with patience, focusing on consistent practice rather than forcing a stretch. If you're aiming to reduce stress and improve relaxation, focus on restorative poses like child's pose and legs up the wall, along with deep breathing exercises. Set aside time each day for even a short relaxation routine, concentrating on your breath during challenging poses. For those looking to improve focus and concentration, incorporate mindfulness practices like breath-focused meditation and balance poses like tree pose, which require concentration. Start with just a few minutes of meditation or balance poses, gradually increasing your focus time as you improve. If you want to develop a daily yoga habit, Begin with a short practice each day that fits into your schedule. Choose a time that works for you and commit to it. Use reminders to make starting your practice easier. Lastly, if your goal is to cultivate emotional balance and self-compassion, focus on poses that open the chest and promote emotional release. Incorporate mindfulness practices that foster self-acceptance and compassion. Journaling after your practice can help you explore any emotions that arise, allowing you to recognize them without judgment. Tracking your progress is vital. Keep a practice journal to document changes in flexibility, balance, strength, and emotional responses. Reflect on how you feel before and after each session to observe your growth over time. Adjust your goals as needed, celebrating milestones and recognizing your progress, whether it's mastering a pose or simply feeling more balanced. In conclusion, regularly revisiting and refining your yoga goals enhances your self-awareness and adaptability, boosts motivation, and encourages long-term well-being. So, take a moment to reflect on what motivates you to practice yoga and the benefits you hope to experience. Identify which short-term and long-term goals resonate most with you, and consider how setting and revisiting these goals can enhance your sense of growth and purpose on the mat. Your journey in yoga is uniquely yours, and by setting clear intentions, you can create a fulfilling and transformative practice.